Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Aquarius. Aquarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aquarius people, in this reading I'm going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Aquarius. So we have the Empress, okay, oh, Five of Cups, Five of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Eight of Wands, Knight of Cups, okay. The mutual energy is Seven of Swords and the Death. So Aquarius people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign with this Five of Cups and Knight of Cups, okay. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Page of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with air sign, Aries, Leo, I'm really sorry, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Seven of Swords and Five of Swords. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Eight of Wands, okay. And we have Scorpio in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with Scorpio with this Death card. So Aquarius, these are your partner's energies towards you, these are your energies towards them, this is the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential. Now let's see what your partner feels about you. Okay, so Aquarius people, your person feels about you that you were into some kind of a negative energies, okay. You were in these energies from quite a long time with this Five of Cups, okay. You really want to be out from this energy, okay. Maybe you are sad about something, maybe you have some regrets about your past life. That's how your person feels about you, okay. Okay, Aquarius. So they feel that you genuinely are genuinely feeling sorry for something or about something, okay. Maybe you are just regretting about your past life or past mistakes which you have done in past, okay. Maybe somebody wanted to offer you something, or somebody had given you something in past, but you refused to take it, okay. And you are being very angry on yourself because can you see this person has a red face. You are being very angry on yourself, you are being very regretful about your past mistakes, okay. But now I feel that, I mean, your person also feels that now you since you are being very angry towards on yourself, now you are taking, or you are thinking to to take some new actions towards your life, okay, towards your future, okay. And that's why they feel about you with this Five of Swords, Aquarius, that now it is the time for you to, I mean, they are seeing you that you are taking, or you are taking step towards your life, taking step. You are not willing to repeat your mistakes which you have done in past, okay. Now this is the time, or this time you are just focusing towards your own mental peace, towards your own towards your future, okay. You do not want to be in this energy, Five of Cups energy anymore. That's what they feel. And now they feel that you are taking action towards your own growth, your own expansion, your own peace, okay. And it's you who is who has defeated their negative emotions, who has defeated their negative toxic emotions, okay. And The end result is definitely really beautiful. They see you as the empress, okay? After being through a lot of bad times, okay, after being through a lot of conflicts and or a lot of fights, okay, you have become so much uh, mature. You have become truthful. You have become very kind and humble towards other person. Okay, you have understood the basic funda of the life, that whatever happens happens for good. Okay, so I think something has happened with you. Okay, you have been through some awakenings kind of a thing. Okay, now you are being very nurturer. Okay, now your person Aquarius is seeing you as someone who has the abilities. I mean, they trust you blindly. Okay, they know that you are the one who can make this relationship a happy relationship. Okay, they are just completely relying on you. Okay, so those were your partner's energies, Aquarius. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. Okay, Aquarius, you feel that your person has started something new in terms of their career, finances, and goals. Okay, maybe they want to shift to some other new place. Okay, so that's why they just want to work towards their finances things to earn a lot of money. Okay, so something is there with their financial status or financial things. They are being very active, or they are being very uh, they are taking action towards their financial things. Okay, their financial growth, their financial expansion. Maybe they want to start some new business, maybe they want to shift to new job, maybe they want to start something new in terms of their finances, in terms of their career, in terms of their goals. That's how you feel about them. And you also feel that they are definitely want to offer you this Knight of Cups. Okay, their proposal is slow, but I'm seeing they are definitely going to talk to you. Some communication is coming into your way, Aquarius, from your partner. Okay, they are coming towards you to offer you this Knight of Cups. Okay, and communication is definitely going to be in a rapid mode. Okay, but I feel that they are going to take little time to offer you this Knight of Cups. But yes, communication is there. Okay, proposal will take little bit time, but that will also eventually come. Okay, on the right time. Okay, that's what you feel about them, Aquarius. Now what is the mutual energy? Okay, okay. So we have Seven of Swords. Aquarius, I feel it's your person, okay, who is bringing all their good luck into your life with these swords. Okay, they have left these two swords. These are their regrets, or maybe their negative emotions which they do not want to bring into your life. Okay, maybe as I said, they are coming towards you. Some communication is taking place in this relationship. Okay, maybe they are willing to offer you this Knight of Cups. So I feel that it's them who are bringing their positive emotions, good karmas with them. Okay, to be with you. Okay, to be with you in your life. Okay, yeah, yes, and they are really really happy, really really happy with that thing. Okay, Death card. um with this card, I feel that something new is about to happen for both of you in this relationship. I feel that with this Knight of Cups, they are coming towards you to offer you something. Okay, as I said, communication is there in this reading, communication is there in this relationship from your partner side, Aquarius. And as I said, the proposal might take some time. Okay, but I'm seeing with this Death card, something new is about to start in your life, in this relationship. Maybe now in future your person is is going to think that now is the right time to start a new phase of this relationship. Now it's the right time to propose you. Now is the right time to offer you this Knight of Cups. Now is the right time to commit towards you in this relationship. Now is the right time to be with you in this relationship. Now is the right time to take this relationship on a next level. Okay, so something new is about to happen for Aquarius. Okay. Okay, so Aquarius, that was the reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, Aquarius people, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.